Hey everyone, today we will talk about Polycam. Is it worth your time and money? Well, I would say maybe. Watch to the end and I'll explain it better than this, I promise. First, let's talk about what Polycam is. Polycam is a 3D scanning app for your phone which is using your LiDAR or your camera system inside of the phone to create accurate and pretty good quality 3D models. But that's not happening on your phone. It's uploading to the cloud. Everything gets generated and you get a link to download it. So obviously I need to test before I talk about it. And I made my favorite test scan in the world. That's our electrical box in the basement. And this is done with Polycam. So this scan was done with about 140 pictures. That's on the lower side, but I wanted to see how much overlap I really need, and yeah, it's pretty good. You could use this for a mobile game, I would say, or for a blockout scene. The areas with the least detail are obviously the dark areas, but that's not really a problem. That could be a pretty easy fix in ZBrush or in Substance Painter. If we rotate around, here we have some stretching. Let's check the other side. Oh, that one is a little bit better, but even this is not really a problem. This is a pretty easy fix. Yeah, pretty good. I'm really happy with the mesh. So when we want to export our mesh, we just hit the export button. And then we have all the formats we want. You can click this button and get a drop-down list for your field, like 3D art, building and construction, whatever you want. Maybe Unreal, and then you can download the mesh with the textures. So that's what I did. I downloaded my mesh and threw it in Marmoset, basically the thumbnail. So did you figure out which one is the 3D scan? Let's talk about prices real quick. So I have the 1 month $15. I think in euros it's about 18 euros per month subscription at the moment. I feel that's a fair price for what Polycam covers. The free plan is fine. I think the images could be more, but for just trying it out, this is good. So, what are my thoughts about Polycam then? The quality is pretty good. If you want to see how Polycam will compare against like Reality Scan, click the subscribe button. There is a big difference. I can promise you that one. I'm pretty sure they are downsizing the pictures. I obviously can't prove it based on the output and how fast the pictures are uploading, because you need to have the app open to see it. I would say they are downsizing. What could be a good use case for Polycam? I mean, obviously it won't replace a good camera. That's for sure. The quality is good, but it's not on the camera level. To be fair, they never said this. So Polycam is not saying we will replace a camera. A good use can would be a blockout scan or a proxy scan or a different term. And what is that? Well, a blockout scan is a scan where you go to the desired location or to the item you want to scan and just use apps like Polycam. It's way easier, it's way cheaper and faster to just do a quick blockout scan of the object you maybe want in your scene or in your movie or whatever, capture it with the phone, upload it to work, and have a rough estimate of if it would fit the scene or not. The good thing about Polycam is you can even use it on your desktop. You don't have to use it on your phone. So you could just upload your phone pictures over the browser and there wouldn't be any downscaling. So in theory, you should end up with an even more high quality scan. Hello again, Editing Philip here. It looks like they are not downscaling. I uploaded some pictures over the browser, less, but in the end it will be roughly the same size, so about 230 megabyte. I guess they are not downscaling then. So I think that is the perfect use case for scanning apps, in this case for Polycam, because I tested Polycam. Blockout scans, proxy scans, testing around, making some rough scans to see if it would fit your scene or not. And yeah, that's what I think Polycam is perfect for. So is Polycam then worth your time and money in the end? I would say yes, totally. Well, that covers scanning with the phone for today. But let's say you want to scan with the camera. Do you really need a polarizer for that? Well, check out this video.